So we're gonna play the Twitter pitch challenge. Twitter is known for its 280 character limit on every tweet, which sometimes makes it a little difficult to convey your thoughts. So you wanna convey this challenge to you to explain to us acing languages in 20 seconds, but we won't make it easy. We also want you to use one hashtag and one emoji in your tweet. So we have a stopwatch for you.
Okay, no pressure at all with the stopwatch, okay?
And you can start in 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, well, Acing Languages is an online language learning platform in which we have native teachers teaching foreign languages, and everything's very customized to our students. So we do language learning for business purposes, language learning for fun, language learning for academic purposes, and it's a lot of fun. And hashtag Acing Languages for life. Emoji, angel emoji. And globe.
A little over 20 seconds, but yeah, we can, I guess, delve deeper into like everything that you've mentioned.